Please also indicate where you are joining from, where you joined from. Indicate where you joined from, very important. If you are from Ghana, you say I'm from Ghana. If you're Nigeria, then you say Nigeria, you say the state you're from. Let's move ahead. Indicate where you're joining from. Very important. We have seen Chioma from Nigeria. Wow, we have seen Max from Port Harcourt. We have seen Chukemeka from Nigeria. Jonathan Jin also from Enugu. Okay, we are getting more updates. Okay, guys. We are Savita from Ghana. Okay. Here we proceed. Today's meeting will not be much more long. There will not be too much sermon and tutorial. It will be intensive as usual. Today we're going to punch much or look into some certain things that you need to know and understand in the crypto space. To understand what the crypto space is all about and what you need to know and expect in cryptocurrency. Now, let me say this to everybody hearing me today. This year, 2020, many persons would actually lose much more funds in cryptocurrency in this 2020 if care is not taken. In this 2021, sorry for my mistake, this is 2021. Many persons are going to lose much more funds in 2021. Yes, it might sound, strange, and it might sound unprofessional to some persons. Yes, but it will happen. And I've given some updates in the group concerning what is likely to happen to the price of cryptocurrencies in 2021. The price of cryptocurrencies in 2021 will be much more affected by fundamentals and not technicals. Fundamentals would actually take the override of the price of cryptocurrencies. It will take the override of the price of cryptocurrencies in 2021. I know I'm going through this direction. As I said earlier, if you are not careful as a cryptocurrency trader in 2021, you will end up losing your funds because the market will be volatile, will be highly volatile. It will be highly volatile. So if you are not careful in trading, get ready to lose your funds or have a depreciation. Now, I know for sure that people who are listening to me today, let's say 60% or 70% of you guys are still new to this space. Yes, because we have a $20 group cryptocurrency trading platform that we're going to start by the 17th. So I know that many of them actually novice, but they are enthusiastic about this community, about this industry. So please, you guys who are in the paid groups or who have been with us, please help me. I need to break things down for them to also follow up. So very important. I need to break things down for them to also follow up so that we all can be on the same boat. Now, for interest of those who don't know what cryptocurrency is all about, you see what the screen is showing you guys. You see several write-offs, several images. You see different things. I see it. So these are all cryptocurrencies, their names, their prices, their volumes, everything you need to know about them. It is in this information site called CoinMarketCap. So, but that's by the way. Let's discuss what cryptocurrency is. Now, there's this notion in Africa. Let me use Nigeria as an example. Whenever you tell somebody cryptocurrency, especially when you call the name Bitcoin, it will be as if you punched a nail inside their head. They'll just tell you, no be scam. That type of mindset. They'll just tell you this is scam. Is it not something which up my money? You see, these are some of the mindset that people has grown with, that people has come to accept and live with in Nigeria or Africa as a whole. Please, I'm talking about Africa now, not Nigeria in particular, because we have people from other countries as well. But they fail to understand the fundamental technology behind cryptocurrencies. Now, these same people use fiat currency, but they fail to see it as scam. They actually engage or see where the government would implement what is called inflation and deflation. They don't see it as scam. Now let's talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency in short form is money. Cryptocurrency is money, but in this case, is a digital currency. You can call it e-currency, as you have naira, dollar, pounds, euros, Ghana cedis. Call it any currency that you can think of. The difference there is that this is an electronic currency. The word E there means electronic. So we call it e-currency in short form. So it's just money. It's a means of exchange. When you want to define money, it's just a legal tender, for exchange of goods and services. So in this case, this is also a legal tender, but it's not touchable. It's not like fiat. It's a software programmed currency. It is software programmed in the sense that several series of codes were implemented based on the algorithm to issue the transfers of cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrency is just money. Have that in mind today. Please, I'm just coming this low so that everybody, both those who want to understand what it's all about, will be able to grasp the underlying idea behind it. Now, why was cryptocurrency created in the first place? This one of the things that most of us need to ask ourselves. Why was cryptocurrency created? Why was this idea hatched? Why must we trade cryptocurrencies? You see, now there was a certain year, I think it should be around 2008, 2009, and the world was going through major recession. So economists were actually picking up ideas on how to, solve the world economic problem as of then. People are bringing up ideas from different quarters, implementations, and several other things. Some people even implemented theories to actually depopulate the world by killing several persons, just to improve the economy of the world. But some people elsewhere were actually building several things based on technology and software development. This is actually called the blockchain technology. Now, the brain behind, or the first cryptocurrency that the blockchain technology was used on, is called Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was created by an anonymous individual called Satoshi Nakamoto. It's called Satoshi Nakamoto. Let me type it for those who might not grasp it. Satoshi, check the chat box, Satoshi Nakamoto. This is the man or this is the individual who created cryptocurrency. Please mute yourself. Who is on mute? Mute yourself, very important. So the individual who created cryptocurrency is Satoshi Nakamoto. Let's say it's individual, no? It might be a group of persons. He said, but we know that it is an anonymous human being. You see, so The name was told to us that he's Satoshi Nakamoto, and to today, nobody has heard from him. I have seen him. Some people say that the Blockfolio tweets, or the tweet that he did was in 2009. Till today, I've not seen any other tweet about him. So nobody has seen him. Me personally, I've researched to know his whereabouts, his background. I've not seen. So we move on. But the fact remains that the technology is there. Now, there's the technology that drives cryptocurrency. As we all know, that cryptocurrency is a decentralized currency. It's a decentralized currency whereby there is no control, there's no central control of your money. Please, I want you guys to follow me in this section now properly. Listen very carefully. Cryptocurrency as it is decentralized. When I mean decentralized, means that there is no central authority, that is dictating when you take your money, or where money will go, or when you won't take your money. You see, it's a decentralized system. That is why you are always in charge of your money. You're in control of your money. Now, not like the traditional banks that we have, the GT banks of this world, the first banks of this world, and so on and so forth. Now, those are centralized systems, meaning there's a central authority, issuing emails to you, wishing you birthday, asking you, giving you, details of your fund, giving you, having control over your funds. Most times, there might be issue withdrawing your funds. So you actually know that the bank is a centralized system on its own. So cryptocurrency has come to rubbish such idea of centralization of people's funds. Now, it built a technology called the blockchain technology. It's called what? The blockchain technology. It builds a technology called the blockchain technology. Let me type this away. Blockchain. Now, mind these words. We have, okay, here we have, sorry. The blockchain of the blockchain technology. Now, this blockchain technology, or the word blockchain, is a technology behind cryptocurrency that enables the decentralization of cryptocurrency. You see, it's a technology that enables the decentralization of cryptocurrency. Now, this blockchain technology, as the name stands, blockchain. Blockchain means a block of chains. Just have that concept at the back of your mind. It's like a block of chains chained together. You see? Now, the function of this blockchain is this. Anytime you issue a transaction, or a transaction is actually carried out, what blockchain does is that it distributes the information of that transaction on several computers in different locations of the world. This record is being taken down by different computers in the whole world. You see, so it allows the decentralization of information so that anywhere you are, you can actually access your transaction details. Now, on the other hand, having explained this, now that is to say that blockchain is a digital ledger. If you actually go to your bank, you see that there's a ledger where transaction is being taken down. That time that there has not been Excel and some accounting softwares. There's a ledger that takes down information of every bank customer. So, but in this case, the blockchain serves that purpose in cryptocurrency. But here is now a digital ledger, a ledger that takes your transaction information and distributes it to different computers in the whole world. Now, who approves these transactions? I did ask yourself, who actually approve these transactions? They are the miners, those that we call miners. The people that approve this transaction. You see, someone will tell you, I'm mining Bitcoin, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, Bitcoin mining, this, that. Miners actually, I mean the main miners, those that actually have mining machines, that has mining pools. You see, they are the people that approve transaction. They solve some mathematical problems, thereby approving Bitcoin transactions. Now, if you now see, once you send out your Bitcoin and it's approved, you receive what we call a transaction hash. Now, that transaction hash is what the miner sends to you. It's what carries your transaction details. Now, that in some cases where your transaction delays, like for 24 hours or 8 hours, don't panic. There is a lot, and a lot transaction to be approved by the what miners. So, and in most cases, they might charge you high fees for approving your transaction. But if you wait a little, it will still reduce. You see, so the function of the miners is that it enables the approval of your transactions by giving you details of your transaction through what is called the transaction hash ID. So I want you to understand this concept. I know that it will be complicated to some persons, but follow me up. Now, again, we have what is called, let's see, we have talked about blockchain. We have what is called cryptography. We have what is called cryptography. Now, this is cryptography. Now, what cryptography is all about is that cryptography actually enables, hold on, it enables your transaction, or it gives the cryptocurrency, or it gives cryptocurrency secrecy. That's the short form. It gives cryptocurrency what? Secrecy. Now, the function of the cryptography is that it encodes information, thereby another person that is not meant for cannot understand it. Like maybe, perhaps, if I have an information that I want to pass to Mr. A, then please mute yourself, everybody. Who is joining? Mute yourself, please. Now, if I have an information that I want to pass to Mr. A, and I don't want Mr. B to understand what that information is all about, I can encode it in the language that Mr. A can understand, and then pass it to him. Mr. B will not understand that information. That's the function of cryptography in cryptocurrency now. Please mute yourself. Everybody that joins, please mute yourself. Very important. So now, in all this, these are most of the vital technology that this is in cryptocurrency, or that we have in cryptocurrency, that makes it to be a strong technology. You see, now in between it, we have the demo, which is cryptocurrency. We have the cryptocurrency. You see, so this is the cryptocurrency that we're talking about. So the blockchain technology and cryptography. Now, these are the technology behind cryptocurrency, the major technology, although there are other ones as well behind cryptocurrencies. So we all know that the first cryptocurrency to be built or developed is actually called the Bitcoin by Satoshi Nakamoto, which is this here. This is the first cryptocurrency that is being developed in 2009. It's called the it's called Bitcoin. That's BTC in short form. As of 2009, that was when it came out. From it, we start seeing other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Tether, Litecoin, Dogecoin, SRP, many of the SXP, many of them. Now, again, is this every cryptocurrency developed or launched has a purpose that, or has a problem or solution that is given. Bitcoin was actually developed in 2009 to solve the problem or solve the economic problem as of then, thereby helping to decentralize currencies, thereby bringing in the decentralization of currencies, taking away the control of your money from the rich class, you see, giving you an opportunity or a platform to have control of your money. You see, and banks cannot have control then because they don't have control over the technology. So as time goes on, we now have a currency called Ethereum. Ethereum is actually bringing to the table smart contracts. Then, although we'll still look into smart contract, but not today, we will look into smart contract, but not today. It's a very broad topic on this. And then we have coins. So, guys, and then we have stable coins as well, coins that are being pegged to the dollar. Like we have here Tether. Tether, you see that is $1 here. So it actually helps traders to avoid volatility in the cryptocurrency market to maintain the value of their currencies. So please, if you hear my voice, if you are following up, indicate on the chat box. If you are following up, indicate on the chat box. Very important. If you are following up, indicate on the chat box. If you're enjoying this tutorial, indicate on the chat box this introduction. If you're following up, indicate on the chat box. More indications. More indications. Those who missed this tutorial, I'm not streaming on YouTube, so it's their own cup of tea. I'm not streaming on YouTube. So more indications if you're following up. Okay, guys, we move on. Okay, I said I will not take much of your time. Now, what or why should you learn cryptocurrency? That's another thing. Why should you engage in cryptocurrency trading? Why should you engage in trading cryptocurrencies? What has cryptocurrency come to do? What effect would it have in your finances? These are some questions that we need to look into. There are some questions that you need to answer. And there's some questions that you need to consider before trading cryptos. I see some people that will tell me, oh, which coin will I buy? A mine box, bubbly mine box, which coin will I buy? But if I tell them some certain things, they will keep on asking questions upon questions upon questions upon questions. Okay, with that failing, or with I have failed in the aspect of learning. If you want to do well in cryptocurrency, you need to have the patience of learning. Because I myself, I also learn every day. Even today, I was reading a PDF. You see, I have learned new thing today. You keep on learning, keep on, because the industry is growing, the industry is expanding. Now look at the market cap, the total market cap as of today. Wow, the market cap is $917 billion. I said it, you see, just remaining how many billion to hit $1 trillion? See the current market cap here, $917 billion. You see, so most of the things you need to consider in trading cryptocurrency is a basic knowledge and skill behind it. It's not just trading. Do you know how to manage your risks, how to maintain your portfolio, how to increase your portfolio, how to manage your portfolio? These are some of the things that you need to consider. So, as you want to enter into cryptocurrency trading, don't first think of profits. That's what I tell my students. Don't first think of profit. Don't have making profit in your mindset for the first 1 to 2 months. Just focus on learning. That's the key thing there. Focus on learning. Learn, and learn. Now, once you have acquired the skill enough for you to trade, you see that once you enter the trading realm, it will be much more easier, and then you will have to float well. But once you just break it, then you jump into trading, you will end up losing and liquidating your capital. Now, once again, why should you learn cryptocurrency? Number one is this: is the technology that will drive the economy. Is the technology that will drive the economy. Now, we have seen mind-blowing price pump of Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin as of today here, as we are seeing, is $33,000. Now, let us look at the historical chart of Bitcoin. As I told you that it will drive the economy. As I'm talking to you, JP Morgan, who was against cryptocurrency, has now accepted and said that cryptocurrency is truly, or Bitcoin is truly the store of value. You see, because he has seen the effectiveness and the profit that you can accrue from trading cryptocurrencies, that even what are they called? These are stock exchanges, or what? They cannot even give you such profit. Companies have made mind-cruising and bubbling profit from cryptocurrencies. Now let us look at this. Now let us look at all-time low of Bitcoin as of July 5th, 2013. That is 8 years ago. Got it here? July 5th, 2013, as 8 years ago. It was $65. That's as of 2013. Now, from 2013 to today, Bitcoin has done 51,612.11% profit. 51,612% upward. That is to say, if you had invested $100 in Bitcoin 8 years ago, that $100 should have been up to $5 million. It should be up to $5 million. Hope I'm correct. 51,612 times 100. Now see the price of them. $65. If you had one Bitcoin alone today, we having $33,000. Now okay, let's just check the all-time high. This is all-time high at $4,000. You see it here. So Bitcoin is actually a store of value, and this is the chart itself. So guys, everybody should understand this. Number one, cryptocurrency is the face of the world economy in years to come, even now in years to come, because major institutions are actually pumping funds into cryptocurrency. I once told you guys that the current market cap would hit over $1 trillion this year. And here we are in January, early January, this is now around 16 billion. You see, guys. So who can or who would actually imagine, or we can actually predict and say, okay, before the end of this year, who knows, the core market cap might hit up to $2 trillion. And soon the cryptocurrency market capital will be competing with the forex market capital. So why should you also join cryptocurrency? Number two, this is very, very early for you to join cryptocurrency. It is very, very fresh to join cryptocurrency because the market is still a virgin market. The potentials hasn't been announced. The potentials are still fresh. Bitcoin is targeted to hit over $1 million. It's targeted to hit $1 million. And there's a prediction that before this year runs out, Bitcoin might hit over $100,000. So it is still a fresh industry. The potential is still high. So why should you join cryptocurrency trading again? Yes, everybody wants money. Yes. Money party. Yes, everybody wants money. You should jump cryptocurrency because you want to make money. You should jump cryptocurrency because you want to make money. There are money opportunities in cryptocurrency. I've been posting my profit screenshots for you guys, and you guys are seeing it most times, like something percent, 20%, it's something percent, 100%. For example, I was sounding as of December, I gave my 2021 altcoin picks. It's just few that got it. Today, most of those altcoin picks have done over 100%. That means that my money have doubled, and it's still going to fourple. If something like that though. So there is a huge opportunity. Please, who is marking this? Please, who is doing that? Stop it. So there's a huge opportunity in the crypto space. There are many reasons why you should join cryptocurrency. Now, some persons might not have the opportunity. You might say, okay, oh, I'm a civil servant, or I cannot trade cryptocurrencies. If you're a civil servant, cryptocurrency is the best investment for you, is the best investment that you can have because you can secure your investment until your retirement. Yes, you can secure investment until retirement. There are some cryptocurrency asset that has potentials of hitting over 10,000%. Before you could do that, you see that your portfolio is actually smiling. You see, let's say that you're working. Cryptocurrency is also an opportunity for you to leverage on. There is a whole lot of opportunities in this crypto space that you do not need to miss. As of this year 2020, there are some coins that will hit over 50,000%. $100 investment in those coins will be over 50,000%. Over $50,000. I will not ask you to trust me or believe what I'm saying, but it will happen before your eyes. Most of them are in cents. It has huge potential. Some people might take it as a business. I know some people who have cryptocurrency as a business and they're making it big. They are living okay. You see, they trade daily, they make profit daily. Most of the times, they actually trade swing. If you're actually a worker, it's also an opportunity for you to even trade. You can actually post your trade for like a month trade or a week trade and leave it. Once the profit hits, you take your profit. So it's actually an industry for everybody. And being cryptocurrency is disrupting several industries. It is disrupting several industries: the medical industry, the music industry, the art industry, the financial industry, name them. Cryptocurrency, there are some coins that are meant for all these industries. So, guys, cryptocurrency is for everybody. There are many reasons why you need to join cryptocurrencies. And bear in mind, cryptocurrency is not, this is one, it is not a get rich quick scheme. I repeat, cryptocurrency is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme. where you always think, okay, like some persons who ask me questions about cryptocurrencies, they'll just tell me, okay, um, if I put 100,000 naira, or if I put 500,000 naira, how much will I get in 1 week? I'll be like, this is not Ponzi scheme. This is an industry to enter and then explore. You see, so it's not a get rich free scheme. It's something, although yes, you can actually make it big in short term. Yes, but bear in mind, it's not a get rich free scheme. Now, where do we trade cryptocurrencies? We can trade cryptocurrencies on different platforms. You have heard trade of cryptocurrencies. Where actually do we where actually do we trade these cryptos? Where cryptocurrencies are being traded are basically called exchanges. They are called cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, these cryptocurrency exchanges are websites that support these cryptocurrency exchanges. They are websites that actually support the exchange of cryptocurrencies with pairs. Every cryptocurrency that is being traded is traded with a pair. As we all know that a pair has to do with two. Anything that has to do with two is just a pair. So exchanges are websites that support the trading of cryptocurrencies. So that's just the basic idea behind exchanges. So we can have lists. Let's get list of cryptocurrencies. There are many things. There are many things that we need to discuss on cryptocurrency, but it's gradually. I know that there are some professionals here, but I'm taking this low so that everybody who are novice, those who are novice actually can follow up and then understand the basic things in cryptocurrency. So we have, you see the list of, let's check this. We have Binance, we have Coinbase, we have OKX, we have Huobi Exchange, we have it BTC, we have WhatBit. Let's see it by ourselves from Google. Let's see what Google will have to give us. And there's also risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Anybody telling you that cryptocurrency is all roses is deceiving you, frankly speaking. Cryptocurrency is not all roses, so there are risks involved. That is why you need to understand your risk management. You see, we have Binance here, Coinbase Pro, Huobi Global, Kraken, Binance, Bitfinex, Bithumb, Bitstamp, KuCoin. We have many of them. You have Ocoin, okay, Probit Exchange, CoinList Pro, and so on and so forth. You see, these are where we trade cryptocurrencies. Yes, there are several ways of trading cryptocurrencies. We have those who trade on spots, we have those trade on features, and so on and so forth. So we have those who do OTC. So there are different ways of trading cryptocurrencies. So all boils down in making profit. And these exchanges as well, they also make their money because they are giving such services. So there are also scam exchanges as well. We have centralized exchange, we have decentralized exchange. Okay, now I think at this note, we have centralized exchange, decentralized exchange, and hybrid exchange. So these are different type of exchanges that we have, but I'm not be going deep. I'm not be explaining those things. So I'm just trying to brush up things for you guys. So bear in mind that cryptocurrency is the future. Is a future. So major institutions are coming into cryptocurrency. Those who were against cryptocurrencies in 5 to 10 years back, who called it money laundering, easy money laundering currency. Some people who call it scam are now retracing their steps. Those who say that it is the CCC, those religious people who actually say that is the world one currency, sort of nature, Many of them are retracing their steps because they have seen the potential and what it has to offer, basically. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I think that we have actually spent some time. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Unmute yourself and then ask your question. Anybody with any question can ask. With what we have gone through today, we what we have learned. If you have any question, you can ask. Unmute yourself and ask your question. Or you can type, okay, Chukwebuka, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hello, good evening. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. So when you say trading, my question is, when you say trading, is it like buying of stocks and selling of stocks like in the normal fiat market, or does it mean a whole different thing?
Okay. Trading.
Like,
Okay.
is trading like someone needs Bitcoin and you're selling to the person, and then you want to buy Bitcoin, you're buying from, or is it like buying stocks and value like fiat market? I don't understand when they say trading, because that's the whole point of this thing.
Okay. Trading on a general note.
Okay.
Trading on a general note is actually exchange of be it goods or services for value. You see, it's just an exchange. So trading can be done anywhere at any time. You can trade anything for anything. Okay, so but on the issue of cryptocurrency, trading is also involved in stocks. Also, trading is also involved in the market. Yes, trading is also involved. So, is it Ofodum Tochukwu? Is your question answered, or do you have more clarification? Do you want more clarification on that?
If you can expand on it, I would like it. If you can expand, like explain
Okay,
longer,
are you trying?
because
Are you
what you
want?
said,
Okay, do you actually want me to explain it on the aspects or the perspective of cryptocurrency?
yes, in the perspective of cryptocurrency, because that's what we are dealing with.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, now on the aspect of cryptocurrency, as I actually talked about pairs before, before you can actually trade something for something, you are expecting profit, right? You're expecting that if I trade this for this, I
Yes.
will make profit. So in the aspect of cryptocurrency, you have thousands of cryptocurrency, as we all know it. In the coin market, let's check how many cryptocurrency we have now. We have over 8,181 cryptocurrency today. As of November, it was around 7,000, but today we have 8,181 cryptocurrencies. Now, each cryptocurrency is traded with a pair. So let's say that you want to trade Bitcoin for, let's say, Ethereum. You see, now you say, okay, I want to use one Bitcoin. I want to use one Bitcoin to buy Ethereum. But you know that at the back of your mind, what you have or what you want is profit. You want to make profit by all means just on that trade. You can say, okay, I'm going to buy low and sell high. That's the basic knowledge about it. You want to buy low and sell high. So, okay, Bitcoin has some price, Ethereum has some price. Today we know that Bitcoin is at $4,000. As you can see here. Now Ethereum is what 1,100. Now, if I'm buying, let's say I'm using this one Bitcoin that is at $4,000 to buy Ethereum at $1,000. You see that we are making a projection. Okay, if Bitcoin actually, or if Ethereum hits $1,500, I would actually sell off. Now you now use one BTC to buy one Ethereum. Sorry, you actually use one BTC to buy Ethereum. That means that you're going to have over 34 Ethereum, if I'm not mistaken, at $1,000 per Ethereum. Now, if you have it now you have converted, you have exchanged or traded your BTC to Ethereum. And then you have a definite target or price target. Once your price or the price of Ethereum hits $1,500, you now will sell it off back to BTC. Now you see that you have made 50% of your money. Instead of having one BTC, now you have what 1.5 BTC. You see how the trading works now. You actually use one asset to buy another asset. You actually buy it low and sell high. Is that understood, or you need more clarification? You see of Fortune Tochukwu. Okay, seems that he's off. Okay, any other question from anybody before we call it a night? So any other question from anybody? Any other question? Okay. I think according to understood what I explained. Since all my explanations are self-understandable. So
Yeah, I understood very well. Thank you very much.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, another question, guys, before we quit tonight. Okay, in that absence, in the absence of another question, for those in the $20 group, the subscription payment gateway is open for everybody. So invite your friends. Oluwaseun Olayemi, how can we understand what to buy and sell? That's I will not be explaining. It is when you learn what cryptocurrency is all about, then you will not understand what to buy and sell. Do you get the point now, Olayemi? When you understand cryptocurrency, then you will know what to buy and sell. So start subscribing for the tutorials, for the $20 tutorials. Payment is open now. We have made the payment open today. So take the opportunity. This opportunity will not come again. And bear in mind that once we start on the 17th of this month, anybody who is joining would have to pay $50. Frankly speaking, everybody who is joining will have to pay $50. So you have had grace period from December till today, and from today till the 16th to subscribe. But after 16th, just 10,000 naira, guys. You guys are going to learn a lot. You guys are going to learn a lot and a lot. But bear in mind that this tutorial is actually for 1 month. is for 1 month, and after 1 month, you guys will have to be getting signals from Cozy Trade for the next 90 days. Signals to trade for the next 90 days after the tutorial. You see that is a huge opportunity. So free signals, you see. So, and after that, those who are interested to now upgrade to our main trading group, you can now upgrade. You have the opportunity to actually upgrade to that. Will actually give you an opportunity to, you know, pay or add up to our tutorial fee for our main group. So, because there you also learn much more. There are new things being added up. Much profit are going to be made in this space. So very important. So share the link, invite your friends. Some people are asking me that they have trust issues. Some people have promised them this and that, but they end up not getting what they want. So I'm always amazed by that. In here in Cozy Trade, they want to get more than what you want. So, but as I always tell you guys in the group, this bootcamp meeting is for people who are ready to learn. If you're not ready to learn, it's just better you leave or just become an OS member. Very important. It's for people who are ready to learn. And I love answering questions because someone who asks questions is a type of person that wants to learn or that is ready to learn. So guys, you don't only learn, you also make profit. So what else do I have to say? Okay. Cozy Trade, if you can serve as a representative of Cozy Trade in Nigeria or elsewhere you are, after this meeting, inbox me. You can serve as a representative of Cozy Trade, inbox me, or if you can actually serve as a marketer, a digital marketer, as a digital marketer after this tutorial, inbox me. So start making your payment for the tutorials from now to 16th. There's an opportunity for you. So guys, I will give an opportunity to take a other question in the next 2 minutes. We'll be calling it a night. If you have a question, the next 2 minutes is counting tick, 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 tick. If there's no question, we'll call it a night. I'm checking my time. 10:16, 10:06, 10:08 will be long enough. Yeah, thank you very much, Oluwasun. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Um, Oluwasun, yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you guys. Yes. Christian James, thank you. Thank you everyone for appreciation, for compliments. Okay, guys. Till we meet next time, although we'll still meeting the group. So to have and start our tutorials. So thank you guys for. So if you find this meeting interesting, share your experience in the group so that others will be gingered as well. So thank you guys. Share experience in the group if you really enjoyed it, in the $20 group and all the groups we have. So when next we have the meeting is when we will have for our for our paid students, or when the bootcamp meeting will start on the 17th. So thank you guys. Have a good night.